Hi, everyone, in this tutorial, you'll learn how to add window light effect in video with AceMovi. The first step is drag your video to timeline. The second step, turn to the Effects tab. In the Filters, you can see the Halo 1 filter, and drag it above the video timeline. In the Overlays, drag the Halo 7 to the timeline. Then adjust the opacity of the Halo 7. Let's play the video. It looks pretty. You can use other Halo overlay to displace the Halo 7 overlay to make the window light effect in video. Like the Halo 5, or the Halo 2. That's it for today's video tutorial. If you have any suggestions, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the new videos on the channel. See you next time.